What they do, first considered evil. Neglected relations. For what? Houses, different people, jobs, power, position, money. Start own life. Second, considered evil, trusting in self, labor of some sort. So the problem would be when they're doing this, they're operating in 3 different mental states. You'll have a person, which is right there, stick figure, trying to operate in an earthly state, is a temporal satisfaction with a starting point near destructive state. Okay? That individual cannot operate in a spiritual state because they're relying on negative feelings or negative emotions. They cannot operate in a logical state. Why? Because they're relying on negative feelings and negative emotions. They cannot be realistic with themselves. Why? Because they're relying on temporal satisfactions. The starting point would probably be near destructive state, which is physical abuse. To be physically abusive in a destructive state, because that individual has so many negative characteristics, such as envy, jealousy, hatred, gossip, slander, selfish to the core, emptiness, oppositional, stubborn, prideful, haughty, defiant disorder, blatant liar, conceited, arrogance, carelessness, and foolishness. That's how that individual will be doing their first catastrophe. So we flip the page. You have a mind, a soul, and a body. Okay? Your mind is supposed to be your consciousness, which is your spiritual side. Your body is no meaning, but is just impulsive, which is your fleshly side. When you operate in the spiritual mind, which is your conscious, your logical thought patterns. You think before you're acting. You're thinking before your actions, and you have something called a realization. What is realization? Realization is when you compare things to real evidence. You don't make things up, which is you can compare it to either a Holy Bible, other sources, or you're just truthful and honest to people. Okay? This is a proper ID. You don't have a proper